guess what? The base got some greenery in, and I'm going to bring it up here. We got some pine, we got some fir, we got some cedars, I think, so, branches. So we're going to whip it in here, we're going to whip it up together, and we're going to do a Christmas urn. So putting together greenery is not really my forte. I mean, I love doing it, but it's not really something that I'm all that good at. But so if I can do this, anyone can. Let's go. Okay, and there it is from the front. There's a great big long red twig. It's so funny. I might just leave it. But I probably should cut it down a little bit. So I'm going to show you where it's going to go. Okay, this time I'm really going. All right, see you later. See you on the next one.